Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Most people are quitting on the YouTube because of unreasonable expectations. Some of them had set up unreasonable expectations, unrealistic goals, thinking that they could really start making money on the platform in a quick term. But what I've learned to do is look at this as a long-term process. This thing is taking a while. As a matter of fact, check this out. This is from my research. You have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. You also have to have a certain amount of videos up and 1,000 subscribers. And some of them, it took as much as 10 months to reach that 4,000 hours of watch time. So keep that in mind as you create your content. A lot of us, we set up our cameras, we push record, we script out our videos, we do all of that. And what I found out is that, hey, it's no sense of doing all that, thinking it's going to happen overnight. Sometimes it just takes a while to get things going. But that is the second reason a lot of people are giving up as a content creator. Unreasonable goals, thinking it's going to happen overnight. I remember this guy, Infinite Waters. You probably know him, Rap Smart, raising the vibration. You probably saw him online. He mentioned that first year, go about that first year not expecting anyone to see your content, not expecting anyone to watch your videos. And that really helped me out. It helped me to realize that this thing is a long-term goal. We gotta be into it for the long term. And by the way, if you're watching this and you're new here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you want to stay empowered and inspired together, we'd love to have you here at Next Level. You may be watching this right now and you're wondering, is it too late? Is it still a good time to be a content creator? I want you to check out this video right here coming up on the screen, my top 5 reasons to be a content creator. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Thanks again for the community coming through, all of you all checking out my channel, my return subscribers. I really appreciate you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out, subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.